All right, welcome to a quick overview of the Systems Accelerator Manager. Built into the System Accelerator Manager, we have several menu items over here on the left-hand side. The dashboard is the main dashboard for the software. The generations area allows you to generate content using a large language model, ChatGPT integration, creating content for lead magnets, things like that. Inside the contacts area, we have a full-blown CRM. Each contact record has the basic information about the contact, tags, stuff like that. The database is primarily set up for real estate, so we have a properties area allowing you to store all the information about a property. Each property has information about the property itself, the physical location, as well as information about the listings or the transaction that's happening for that real estate agent. We have a built-in calendar, outbox for SMS and emails, call lists, being able to make calls out, reminder calls and stuff, but also utilizing AI to make those calls. We do have a section here for the template editor, and the template editor is for messages that go out. We do identify the templates as being either email or SMS. Now, the real guts of what SAM is to do automations. And with those automations, you can set them up very easily based off of certain key dates. Here we have a photography date and all the different things that you do whenever you have a photography date set up for a property of some sort. The real key here is being able to set these up. And what we can do is make that very easy for them by using AI. And we go into a new routine. Then we can click on the little AI to generate this. And we want to put in some kind of objective. In this case, create a 6-day lead nurture process to send emails each day for the first time home buyers with tips, tricks, and traps of home ownership. You type in what you want for an objective and click on generate. It then takes that using AI, it creates a template path. And whenever it comes up, then you can choose to edit any of the items, delete any of them. You can add additional steps if you like. Wasn't exactly to your liking. Once you've got everything set up the way you want, you click on the approve. It then takes each one of those steps and starts building out the actual routine details. And then it also takes that information and starts building the templates that go along with it. If it's an email or an SMS template, that information then is used for sending out the emails. But what this does is it utilizes information within the software to identify how does this agent speak? What are the merge fields that they typically use? What are the things that's important about their team, stuff like that. Whenever it's building that content, it's actually building it for the individual. And then once it's complete, then it goes ahead and it has the entire build. I can go into each one of these and look more details. It filled in all of the calculations for things. What I want to do in this case, I want to send a message. This one is budgeting guidance for first-time home buyers. Go in here and it shows you the details that it put in there. So all the information is created. The real crux of this is allowing agents to build their workflows. We call them routines very quickly, very easily. And then the more they build in the automation, the better it is for them. The last part of this that I really want to highlight is our AI agents. And each of the agents can do different types of things. It helps the real estate agent. We call these assistants actually, but these AI assistants will perform different actions based off of what the agent, real estate agent, actually needs to do. You can create other agents into the system. We have 7 or 8 already pre-built for different functionality. And the real key to this is we do integrate with 11 Labs so that you could even use a phone number, dial into your system, and start communicating with your showing scheduler and being able to have it schedule out your showings for you. All of these are built with high detail and information about what they need to be doing. And but they can be tweaks by the user and being able to do different types of things. So that's really the crux of what Sam does. We've got lots of other features, just things that real estate agents really need to have in their business, but just don't have time to show each and every feature. And hope this gives you a great outlook on what we're doing, how we're doing it, and we've got so much more to come. Have a great day.